Hey everybody, Idaho Creator here. Hey, just coming to you with just a quick little reply to a video that I saw. Apologize for the fan sounds, I'm at my garage. But here's my 1873 Winchester. Okay. Uh, Beautiful classic antique gun. Of course, this one isn't ever going to be worth anything because it's parts and pieces from different guns cobbled together to make one gun. And that's its purpose. The purpose is for me to have an 1873 that I have fixed, put back together, cleaned up, and made functional again. Um, I'm replying to a video that I just saw the other day. I'm not going to name who, tell you who did the video, but it was a beautiful gun. All parts matching because it come from an old firearm that had been all rusted up. And this person who does great work, and I'm not docking him for the great work that he does do. I mean, the gun did look beautiful when he was done, but I just got to say one thing about it. When you are restoring a rusty gun and you need to get that gunk off and that rust off, he did the right thing by putting in an evaporust and soaking the rust off that way. But when he was all said and done and he was trying to clean the part up, he used one of these. Please do not use these when restoring firearms. That's not what they're for. Okay? This is a wire brush to clean rust off metal. But a firearm that's an antique, that's all parts matching and all comes from one gun. Cleaning the rust off is okay, but you don't want to take that patina down much further than just removing that loose rust. When he took the wire wheel to the parts and pieces and he polished them with the wire wheel, he hurt the value of that gun big time. Now, is he restoring that gun for value? No, but does that gun have value? Yes, that gun does. So, please, if you're restoring firearms that are like all one piece, even this gun, I wouldn't take a wire brush to it. Little elbow grease with a brass brush, something soft, a rag, little Scotch Brite pad, carefully to take the surface rust off. That's all I did to this gun, and that's all I'm going to continue doing as I build this gun back up. But anyway, that's enough for my rant. Hey, I just want to go on and say thank you to all my subscribers. Be sure to like, subscribe. I don't want to hate, but I just want to make sure people out there understand there's better ways to clean and repair guns than a wire brush or on a wire wheel. So anyway, thank you for watching, guys. We'll see you shortly with a new video coming out here, hopefully within the next week or two. I don't post a lot, but when I do, I hope you're entertained, because that's what I do it for. Have a good one. Have a safe day, and bye, all.